What if you could increase overall gross profit margins for one product by 26% in a single year, or slash material costs by as much as 20%? While these numbers might sound too good to be true, they're actually very feasible. Product cost optimization through company-wide practices such as value engineering, lean development, standardization, and modularization is one of the most important initiatives your business can take to improve profitability and time to market. 2 out of every 3 manufacturing executives recognize cost of goods sold as the single biggest factor to profitability. It's for this reason that almost 83% of manufacturers state they will invest in product cost reduction initiatives to control cost of goods sold. At any given time, 1 in 5 manufacturers are implementing ongoing cost initiatives currently, or planning to within 6 months. But yet, most product cost initiatives fail. It's estimated that about 80% of the products do not meet their cost targets, and that 75% of product cost initiatives do not see the kind of returns that companies implementing them would like to see. How does this happen? Without a clear, structured understanding of your product costs, pursuing these initiatives and seeing the results you want for your company is almost impossible. You need to know what tasks to prioritize during optimization and how to best target the right solutions to the right problems. Reducing product costs is a common initiative among manufacturers in virtually any industry or product market. However, breaking down this cost and optimizing value through directed objectives is a task easier said than done. What are your goals as a product manufacturer? What cost and revenue benchmarks do you want to push your company toward, and what elements are stopping you from achieving these goals? For the most sustainable PCO, fragmenting and deciphering the key contributors to product costs is essential. The best ways to define product costs is to think of it as an umbrella term for the various spending levels throughout product development, as well as the contributing elements within these levels. Separating costs into several product lifecycle stages enables your company to identify key spending areas and focus PCO efforts on these areas solely for the greatest benefit. 65% of manufacturing executives identify controlling and optimizing product costs as a key to growing company profitability, and a majority, 85% of business leaders, say they plan to invest in PCO in the near future. How is it then that so many manufacturers struggle with optimizing their day-to-day costs? The problem lies in how you perceive cost elements at the company level. Consider how narrowly you can focus on various components of product costs given the information you have available. How efficiently is this information exchanged across levels of design, engineering, and manufacturing? Roughly 44% of manufacturing executive officers identify a lack of technical capability and skill as a hindering factor to their development process, while a close 41% list resource availability as a limiting element to their PCO. Improving your company's profitability through various initiatives takes ongoing effort. The key for successful implementation is committing to precise cost reduction goals and using the right solutions to control what your company spends in pursuing them. Working alongside a European manufacturing company in the rotary equipment industry, BWI was able to reverse poor annual sales and gross profit margins using PCO solutions tailored to specific processes. Value engineering practices and strategic sourcing in this case were able to reduce that company's high material costs by a striking 20%, while automation systems added an additional 10% reduction in labor costs. Through implementation of various PCO initiatives, BWI was able to reduce cost of goods sold across the company's product lines by a profitable 10%. PCO initiatives are best implemented when used to target specific components of product development. Breaking down costs in this way and directing PCO for specific cost elements can help your company prioritize their focus and tackle the greatest contributors to cost first.